In this video, I will show you how to use advanced bookmarking features in the Bible's new text-to-speech feature. To enable bookmarking, let's go to Speak Settings and from there Advanced Settings, from where we need to first enable automatic bookmarking. Now let's go back to Bible view. If automatic bookmarking is enabled, Speak bookmarking is created always when we pause or stop playback, as we see next. Let's start playback.
The genealogy of Jesus.
And stop playback. Ear icon in the Bible view indicates that there is a Speak bookmark for this verse. If we start from a bookmark, the bookmark will follow the progress and is relocated when we pause or stop next time, as we see next.
The genealogy of Jesus Christ. The book of the genealogy of Jesus Christ, the son of David, the son of Abraham. Abraham was the father of...
As we see, the original bookmark is now moved to the new location. Remember that if we continue playback after being paused, we always continue from where we left. On the other hand, if we stop playback, we can start playback from another location. So by this way we can create more bookmarks. Now let's create a couple of bookmarks in different Bible books. Let's go first to Exodus chapter 1. Start playing. Stop playing. So now we have bookmark there. Let's go to Psalms first and start and stop from here. And so now we have 3 bookmarks. It is enough. Now there are several different ways to conveniently access the Speak bookmarks. First, bookmarks view. Second, Speak settings view. And third, bookmarks widget. Let's see next how to use each one of these. First, we can go to bookmarks listing. So we can find bookmarks listing from this button or from this options menu if it is not any available here. So let's go there. Here we see all the Speak bookmarks annotated with red ear icon. They have also special Speak label, so we can list only Speak bookmarks from there. They have also, if we click Speak bookmark, it immediately starts playback from there. So let's click Matthew first.
Abraham was the father of Isaac.
Alright. Let's now go to Speak settings. Here we can use bookmark button in the left bottom corner to quickly start speaking from Speak bookmarks. Let's start now from Psalms 1:1.
The way of the righteous
and the third way was to use desktop widget, which we can use from home screen. Let's go to home screen. Let's create widget like we normally do. Here we see that we have this bookmark widget. Now we can use widget buttons as a shortcut to Speak bookmarks. This allows easy and quick access to them while we are on the go. So let's try how to use them.
Israel increases greatly in Egypt. The way of the righteous and the wicked. Abraham was the father of Isaac.
Now, let's consider yet another powerful feature related to Speak bookmarks. Let's go back to Advanced Speak Settings view. There we see Save Playback Settings to Bookmark option. We will also disable Synchronize text with speech just for the demonstration. So if we enable this Save Playback Settings to Bookmark option, all the playback settings on the main Speak settings screen, I mean these settings here, will be saved to corresponding bookmarks. This allows you to have different playback settings, such as playback speed, for each of your bookmarks. Let's say we want to play our first bookmark, Exodus, with speed 100%, but not hear chapter change notifications for our another bookmark in Matthew. And for our another bookmark in Matthew, we want faster speak speed and also chapter change messages. So let's first go to Exodus bookmark
Israel
and set its settings like we want to have 100%, and we don't want to hear this chapter change notification, so this is already set correctly. And for Matthew, let's go there next.
Abraham was the father of.
For Matthew, we want faster speed and also chapter change messages. So now these settings are saved to these bookmarks. So if we start now from Exodus again, we see
Israel increases greatly.
We see that these settings are changed back, and if we start from Matthew,
Abraham was the father of Isaac, and Isaac.
We see that we have correct settings here. That's all about bookmarks. Thanks for watching and God bless.